I got to do some front end work on this F350. It's a big old truck, so you need a big old jack, which is right over here. That's our yellow jacket 4-ton jack. So when you're lifting vehicle, make sure you get the right size jack for the job. This truck's 4x4 V10 and it is heavy. So let's see if we can lift this thing up, how it does. Almost. Perfect. And if you're going to leave it up in the air, be sure to use jack stands under there when you're doing it. Safety. That's a big truck. It'd be a shame for that thing to come down on you.